Did you know that this October is an opportunity for you to actually land your remote role that you have been dreaming of? You already know that I don't get keep on my profile here and in my channel here. I tell you straight to the point what it is and how you can get there. Yes, this is the last quarter of the year, and a lot of founders and business owners are making decisions about their hiring process, and they're also making plans for 2026. So this is the right time for you to start searching for jobs. Hello everyone, my name is Adebisi Ebun, and I'm a virtual assistant. Despite the fact that a lot of people believe that the virtual assistant niche is oversaturated, but I still believe that with the right strategy, you're going to land that dream job. And that is what I share on my channel here. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe now, as I'll be coming up with more videos on where you can get a remote job as a virtual assistant, and tips and resources that can help you to get started, such as your portfolio, your CV, and how to position yourself out there, build your visibility. So today we are not going to waste a lot of time. I just want to show you a particular platform that I found. It is a trusted platform, and this platform you can actually search for virtual assistant job. There are some other jobs that are not related to virtual assistant actually, but you can get job as a virtual assistant on this particular platform that I am talking about. So I will encourage you to stick around with me while I show you this amazing platform and how you can search for jobs on this platform. So for those that have always subscribed to my channel, for those that have always comment, like my video, I want to say a big thank you. Thank you for supporting me in my mission. It means a whole lot of to me. And most importantly, the reason why I say you should subscribe to my community is that if you have any question you want to ask, you're free to drop it in my community and I will answer your question. So if you have not subscribed now, just click that subscribe button, and yeah, let's keep rolling deeper. So without wasting much time, let me show you this channel and how you can get started from this. So this is the site I'm talking about. It's called Creole Globe. You can just place it in your browser and search about it. So from this, you can see a lot of available job listed here. When you click on show more, it keeps showing you more and more jobs available. And you know, it's all our remote work, and you can see it is written there, remote, which shows that this is an opportunity you can leverage on. So if you're a virtual assistant, look at the virtual assistant job that is available here. Once you click on it, you will get a proper description of the job, the working hours, and what you are expected to do. So you can see the overview of the job. Like this particular one is from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday to Friday, and they have their requirements, like tools that you must have experience working in, then your internet connection, your devices, everything will be added. Then once you click on apply for this job, so you will see the next step. Write your name, your personal information, your WhatsApp number, your country, your profile, your resume, and you even tell them how soon you can start, how much you earn in your previous role, how much will you be willing to rate hourly, and are you available to work during those hours? Are you available to use tracking tools? All these questions will be answered by you. Then you can click on submit. These are real job sites that um, you can search for job. I'm not gatekeeping. This is real. I know there are so many sites that they are not real, that they are just like, they just gatekeep people or ghost applicants. But trust me, this particular one, no ghosting is here. Just apply for the job and make sure you submit the necessary details, and you get the next response from them. So I wish you good luck in your job search. And let me tell you this last one. If you're open to volunteering role, I have someone that is looking for volunteer, and if you're interested, kindly reach out to me on LinkedIn. So this video is very short and I like it. See you in my next video where I share more tips and resources that can help you land your remote role. Bye for now.